you think it's hot enough, then take the end of that and just set it in the bottom, and it should suck it up. It's something that's got to use the end of it, not the side of it. But it's not hot enough.
You had the flux on there? Or?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now use the end of that, Larry, and put it on the bottom. No.
I just wanted to make sure it was
Yeah,
down.
don't do that, because you got to do when it's hot so it sucks it up. You should come up like this with it. Okay. I don't know if it sucked it up enough. There should be a ring down there. The next time, just come up from the bottom. Do the other one now.